guys, July 2nd, 2026. We were gonna go from some lady I worked for in the past. She's got some people down there, a summer house, grandkids or whatever they are. They're calling me. They need some work done over there. There's some plumbing issues going on with something about the shower heads not working, and one of the shower valves has just got lukewarm water, doesn't have hot water. Well, I don't know if that's the water heater or the spindle, something's going on. She had a whole flipping list of me to do. Well, I call her and I'm supposed to go over there this morning. I guess she's at the supermarket. So I probably might have to wait for her to get back to get in over there. That's why I always call before I go anywhere, make sure people are around, right? I talked to her this morning and told her I had a couple of emergencies I had to take care of this morning, and I'd call her in an hour and a half. Call her in an hour and a half, she's out shopping. There you go. Typical woman, you know. Can't count on them. It's not hot. The water off there. It's off. Down in the equipment's crawl space here. Crawl space from hell, mama. That should be lower than that valve. Well, maybe not. Also flush the toilet. Could be the it's got an electric water heater downstairs that might be acting up too. I don't know. Maybe. She's a nutty one, mama. Look at the dock in here, dark and dingy. We'll take the spindle out and usually if them electric water heater elements is an issue. Let's see if we can get it out. We'll check it, see if it's got any clicking action. Nope, she's got clicking action. Could be the water heater. I think I can open that up a little bit more when it gets a little warmer. Opens up a little bit more. Just a little. I'm gonna put a new spindle in there while I'm here. Seeing that there was an issue with it.
Chris is a slippery little sloth.
Steve, downstairs.
Okay, my loves.
Hey, Steve.
I'm gonna put a new spindle in this one anyway. It does click, but sometimes
I'm coming in here with you right now, and I'm just gonna shut the door because my dog needs pills.
Your dog needs what?
The medication. I'm gonna give it to him every 12 hours.
Oh, that's sad, huh?
Sucks. Steve.
Yeah.
$5 grand so far in the last month.
What, for dog medicine?
The dog. No, he had he has seizures, Steve. He's got to go to the hospital. So they give him Keppra intravenously.
Wow.
So then that's a stay, and they keep him overnight.
How old is he?
10.
Yeah.
Do you want a knife? I got a knife.
Take that to your girlfriend before you marry her.
Fiance, she's already got a ring on.
Yeah.
By the way, thank you so much for the last, I think it was last year, with the air conditioning. The last thing, it's always something with this fucking house.
Yeah, it is.
Franny, my father, never took, he just waited until something fucking caught on fire. God rest his soul, he was a good man, but
Oh, he was a hard worker.
preventative maintenance wasn't his fucking forte, I'll tell you that much.
He did good. He made a lot of dough over his life, didn't he?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
He made a lot of.
He was a great man.
I liked him. I liked talking to him. He was a good guy. Unfortunately, we're all gonna. None of us live forever. Unfortunately, I'm putting a new spindle in. I might have to do some with that water tank, but seeing that
There could be a temp setting on it. Because this side of the house, I was just thinking when we were kids, they could have dialed it down.
I could check that, but if not, it might be an element, you know.
Yeah, that's what.
I'll be able to tell. I mean, we've been running it. We've been running quite a bit. I did open up the thing so it's gonna go a little hotter.
Yeah.
On the setting.
Yeah.
I want to put a new spindle in there because even though the things click, sometimes there's an issue with them. I found, and
Yeah.
I don't want no problems.
Also, my question for you is, if we do gotta replace that, we'll do a PVC coated tank, right? Interior PVC coated? Because I don't think it's PVC coated now.
None of them are. What are you talking about? PVC coating?
Don't they have a PVC coating for the water tank, or it's not?
No, that's electric water heater. It's a regular. You know, they're good for 15 years or something. You know.
Yeah.
Probably outlive your marriage.
No, I doubt that.
All right, so I'm gonna turn the water back on. We're gonna check it. We might have to do something with that water heater. I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. Let me just go double
Oh
check
yeah, I'll
this.
wait.
You'll be all right.
Turn both of these elements up. Looks like somebody might have turned them down.
Did you do that heater?
Somebody turned those elements down. Both of these elements were down, so I turned them up. I usually set them at hot.
Yeah.
They were down by quite a bit on both the
weird because
the top and the lower elements.
Yeah.
We'll see if we get it better. I put a new spindle in it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that seems to be better. And they're gonna give it a little time, and I just turned the water heater up. Check it. Is that better?
Oh yeah.
That's better.
That's a lot better. Thank you, Steve.
And it's gonna be, and the water heater's gonna heat up a little bit more because
Yeah.
I put the elements up.
That's perfect.